Rolling, written by Gareth Owen, illustrated by Vicky Fieldhouse.
There's a hill that I know where we all love to go when the days are clear and blue. We climb right to the top and down we all flop. Then here is what we do. We lie flat as flat in the soft green grass, our hands down by our sides, and we roll like round, fat barrels down the slope of that green hillside. And the whole world turns around us as we all roll round and round. And the sky spins above our heads as we bounce along the ground. And who'll get to the bottom first? Will it be Anne or Lee? Or maybe Tom or Sean or Jane? Or maybe even me? And yes, it's me. I got there first. So I shout to Tom and Jane, and shout to Sean and Lee and Anne. Let's do it over again. So we all climb back to the top of our hill and go rolling down again. Yes, over and over and over and over and over and over again.